Folks, we're going to talk about faster profits with high-performance 5G stocks. So far, the rollout of 5G has been slower than expected, partly due to the focus on COVID-19 during the past several months. But things are changing, and there's a major 5G rollout happening in major cities across the U.S. This is a big effort that's going to take some time. That's why it pays to invest in companies that will be there as mobile systems evolve to 5G. Once fully deployed, 5G will be at least 100 times faster than the current 4G LTE technology. And that's why I want to focus on 3 stocks that will have the biggest impact on 5G over the next few quarters. First one is Marvell Technology Group, ticker symbol MRVL. Marvell Technology is a leading designer, developer, supplier of mixed signal and digital signal processing integrated circuits for high-speed and high-density digital data storage and broadband digital data networking markets. It has been an all-inclusive 5G solution since early 2019 when they got into this market segment, announcing a broad array of solutions at the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. At a market cap of only $26 billion, it's not a mega player in the sector, but it's got a market cap that's going to grow. Marvell stock is up 48% year to date, 5-year return 308% plus. Earnings per share growth versus previous quarter, 33%. Earnings per share growth versus previous year, 71%. Both earnings estimates and earnings surprises have been positive the last 4 quarters, and relative strength is increasing, which tells me the stock should see more upside over the next few quarters. There's 15 strong buy recommendations and price target of $55 per share. The next stock on my 5G shortlist is Qualcomm. We talked about this stock several months back. Ticker symbol is QCOM, a world leader in 3G and 4G and next generation wireless technologies. 3-year return 119% plus. Both earning expectation and estimates are substantially above previous levels. A few years back, the company was sued by a number of nations, including China and the US, for its licensing contracts, which made it very difficult for other companies to compete with its technologies. But those were settled, and Qualcomm is back on top. It's a leader in 5G infrastructure and chips for mobile phones. The stock's got 13 strong buy recommendations, and relative strength remains off the charts. It's explosive. Short-term price target is at $160 per share, and I believe we'll see the stock get there over the next few quarters. The last and final stock on my 5G shortlist is T-Mobile, ticker symbol TMUS. T-Mobile is a national provider of mobile communication services. T-Mus is still about half the size by market cap of its main rivals, Verizon and AT&T. While its merger with Sprint helped launch T-Mobile into the top 3 spot, the biggest carriers also lost subscribers to T-Mobile. The company started building out a 5G network before its rivals and has continued to upgrade it. Now that's a major carrier. It'll also motivate new subscribers. 5-year return, 166%. 5-year revenue growth, 52%. 5-year earnings growth, you're not going to believe me, 1,240% increase, 5 years. That's crazy. The stocks had positive earnings surprises over the past 4 quarters, currently shows 12 strong buy recommendations, and it's got a price target of $150 per share, making it reasonably priced stock at the current value with substantial upside to go in terms of price. Expect more growth in the next few quarters, and I hope that helps. Folks, you might not realize this, but when you enter the market to place your trade for the day, you're already at a huge disadvantage. The fat cats, the banks, the hedge funds, and huge institutional investors, they don't go to sleep. And their overnight market action and pre-market activity often dictates where the market is headed when the opening bell rings. If you don't know what they did, you could be screwed before the market even opens. That's why the world's #1 pre-market expert, Tom Busby, and I developed a system that analyzes pre-market activity, allowing you to rake in huge returns on lower risk trades. Click on the link below to tap into our little known secret. Do it now.